I tried this Japanese gut cleanse and wow! Hi everyone, today we're talking about a traditional Japanese remedy that's getting a lot of attention, Ume Nagashi. It's a gentle and natural way to reset your gut and feel lighter from the inside out. At kung minsan feeling mo bloated ka or parang mabigat ang tiyan mo, this might be perfect for you. Ume Nagashi is a warm, cleansing broth made with Daikon radish and Umeboshi or Japanese pickled plums. It's super simple pero powerful. Today, I'll show you how it works and how to make it. Let's start with Daikon. You've probably seen it in Japanese dishes, miso soup, salads, even grilled fish. But more than flavor, Daikon supports digestion in so many ways. Here's what makes Daikon amazing for digestion. Number 1, 95% water helps soften stool. Number 2, insoluble fiber, adds bulk and feeds your good gut bacteria. Number 3, digestive enzymes, lalo na pag raw, it helps break down starch, protein, and fat. Number 4, vitamin C, especially in the leaves, good for healing and immune health. Kaya raw grated daikon is ideal kasi enzymes and vitamin C are heat sensitive. Next is Umeboshi, maliit pero malakas. The soreness comes from citric acid which helps relieve fatigue and support mineral absorption. According rin sa traditional Chinese medicine, it promotes digestive fluids and helps detox the body. When daikon and umeboshi are combined, they create a synergetic effect. Basically, they team up to cleanse your gut naturally. That's the idea behind Ume Nagashi. It's perfect as a light meal or gut reset, and I'll walk you through the steps. Here are the ingredients for one serving. Number 1, 1/4 daikon, 1/2 umeboshi, 7 grams kombu, 750 ml water. Are the steps on how to cook it. Number 1, wipe kombu clean, soak in water overnight or 30 minutes if rushed. Number 2, bring to gentle simmer, remove kombu. Number 3, add sliced daikon, cook until soft. Number 4, mash umeboshi into broth and simmer for 5 minutes. Yun lang. Simple pero super effective. Now, for the best part, how to consume it. Number 1, drink the broth slowly, relax lang. Number 2, then eat the daikon and umeboshi. And lastly, repeat hanggang maubos mo yung laman ng pot. For the optional part, add a little miso for flavor. Pro tips? Number 1, take it on an empty stomach. Mas effective for cleansing yun. And number 2, stay home after para comfortable ka kung kailangan mong pumunta sa restroom. Lastly, kung wala pa rin after 1 hour, try light movement like walking, stretching, kahit konting galaw. It really helps. Personal tip? I like replacing dinner with Ume Nagashi. Super light, relaxing, and I wake up feeling so refreshed. Pero reminder lang din, make sure wala kang lakad kasi after nun, mabilis ang effect minsan. So if you're looking for a natural, gentle way to feel lighter and support digestion, try Ume Nagashi. Let me know in the comments below if you tried it or if may mga wellness rituals kayo na favorite nyo. That's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also comment below with your thoughts. And for more health information, visit our website at getbetter.ph.
The digestive system. Ume Nagashi is so easy. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.